Weekly list, item number 1.
Item
May
number
I please your lordship?
in this
I have
case,
been charged with IPC 419 and 420, IP section 66 and C and D for withdrawing 5 lakh rupees without the knowledge of the informant. But my lord, the PW6 is the bank official, PW7 is the bank official. Both are telling that informant had come to the bank and she has withdrawn and they have identified. And PW1 is the informant herself who has said that she is having a doubt on that.
the
The
first
case 32, that is the
Trial has
PW6.
Trial has commenced.
first time this is listed, I have not received the case diary. Recently, the bail application of the petitioner was rejected on 5/2/2025.
I have given all the certified copy of the
It has to come to go to that bench. Why it has come to me?
Recent, as per the recent notification, it will be listed before Honorable Justice at the department.
Second, the earlier bail application of the petitioner in BLAPL number 7827 of 2024 has been rejected on 5/2/2025 by Honorable Justice R.K. Patnaik. This matter, we so and so before appropriate bench with the approval of the Honorable Chief Justice. Yeah.
Item 2.
Item 2, 3763, case diary is also not there, notice required.
Extra copy of the bail application be served, notice to be
Typical.
CD criminal antecedent to be called. Yes.
Item 3.
May I please the lordship? I am here on behalf of Mr. Bahadur. The alleged offences are under 329(4), 78, 296, 115(2), 351(3) of BNS and 12 of POCSO Act.
I am having the 160 statement of the victim. Three 76 is not there, but the petitioner is a married person. The victim was staying on rent. Victim family was staying on rent in their house, madam. You can have a glance to the conduct. The victim was reading class 10. There is also the screenshot mobile that I message that are also seized. And have a glance to statement, 164 statement of the victim.
Charge sheet. Mr. Naik,
Miller,
charge sheet submitted.
it can be activated. Please.
Either charge sheet.
That should not submitted.
Extra copy of the bail application be served notice to you. And Land Council for the state has produced the case diary that took some time to obtain instruction about the submission of the charge sheet, so also the criminal antecedent after vacation. Yes, next.
Item 4.
Allegation number section 23B. The petition is in compliance 18/10/2024, my lord.
Commercial quantity.
Commercial quantity.
Quantity, the material has been not received from the possession of the petition.
No,
Earlier
the petition is asked.
Earlier application was rejected.
My lord. Two
By
bail,
which bench?
two bail applications were rejected, Mala. 10984 by 2024, it was defined, another BLFL 176 by 25. Then we turn to after the
It appears that the earlier bail application of the petitioner in BLAPL number 10984 of 2024 was rejected by in BLAPL number 10984 of 2024 by the order dated 18/11/24. The Honorable Justice V. Narsingh, and the next bail application of the petitioner in BLAPL number 176 of 2025 was disposed of on 29/1/2025 as withdrawn before the also before the Honorable Justice V. Narsingh. List this matter along with so and so before the appropriate bench with the approval of the Honorable Chief Justice. Yes.
Item 5.
Let please, 6 POCSO is there, notice required.
Extra copy, notice, CD, criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 6.
Yes. Arey, not this.
8 criminal accident.
For whom? For who are to be delivered? Charge sheet already filed. 5/4/25.
You are in custody since when?
7/1/25.
7/4/24.
9/7/1/25. Remand case, এটা remand case.
Arrested in other case, remanded in this case.
1/25.
7/1/25.
7/1/20.
For witnessing, for co-accusation.
No, 7/1/2025, the petitioner arrested in another case, remanded in this case.
7/4.
Remanded temporarily. And the petitioner has 8 criminal accident.
So would churi case would 457/380.
About 457,
27 AM
ଗୋଟେ 307 ଅଛି, ଗୋଟେ ଗାଡି ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି।
କେବେଠୁ ଏ କେସରେ ରିମାଣ୍ଡ ନେଲେଣି, କୋଉଠି ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
Arrest ହେଲା 7/1/2025, paragraph 4 of the bail application.
ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଗଲାଣି?
No, madam.
Are the running counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the running counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner was taken on remand in this case on 7/1/25.
Yes, madam.
And the offences are tried by magistrate. And on hearing the London counsel for the state who submitted that the petitioner has a number of criminal antecedents of similar nature. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the IIC of Soro Police Station once in a week on every Sunday in between 10 to 2. Yes, next.
Item 7.
Offense under 64(2) and 318 of the BNS Act.
In the case of consent, the victim is 16 years and she is
No, no.
pregnant.
Good, sure. You can say FIR 21 years and 20 days. FIR can receive a base action with them. ଲେଖିବାର କାରଣ ଏଇକି ଯେ ସଞ୍ଜୀବନୀ ପଞ୍ଜୀବରା ବୟସ
Yes, yes.
21 years.
Yes, yes.
ପିତା ବଳବତ୍ତର ପଞ୍ଜୀବରା
No, no, okay, good.
age 21 years and 20 years with consent both are in physical relationship and
Yes.
genital management. Also made a party to that victim's opposite.
She's
Yes, Mr.
case of consent, my lord. But she is pregnant. She is pregnant.
E19 and 402 IPC. DNS my lord 310 and 310(5). The present petitioner cow business, dealing with the cow business. Their vehicle was seized by the police. They went to the police and the police forwarded them under section 39.
399 402.
You are found at a particular place.
My lord, दिन बेले 9टा बेले
What is the date?
my lord on that date is 13/4/2025.
And what was found in from your possession?
खाली गोटे my lord भुजाली बाहरची और iron rod लाठी एतिक. Having no criminal antecedent of this nature. किछि नाही.
Or the Learning Council for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Learning Council for the petitioner. The petitioner is in judicial custody since 13/4/2025. And one Pujali stated to have been recovered from the possession of the petitioner. And there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner. The ingredients of the offences under which the case has been registered are not attractive. And after hearing the Land Council for the state, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Good sessions in the matter. Over.
Sure,
My over.
Item 9.
The petitioner is in custody since 20th of April 2025. Offense is 109-351-2. Your lordship will see the FIR. The allegation is that he was rash driving the vehicle and tried to kill him by dashing the same, but he escaped.
The petitioner has two criminal
Yes,
accidents.
that is rail roko, Rasta Roko in 2005 and one in 2000.
So nobody has sustained any.
No, nobody.
You are in custody since when?
28th of April 25.
Are the Learning Council for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Learning Council for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 20/4/2025. And nobody has sustained any injury in the case. And after hearing the Learning Council for the state submitted that the petitioner has got two criminal antecedents, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Grateful.
Item 10,
Item 10, 151 kg ganja, no case diary.
Here, my lord, is nothing else is from the possession of the present petitioner, my lord.
After vacation, we said case diary and criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
item 11,
Please, Lord. Open order 302-307, the petitioner is custody since 15/12/2020. So earlier your lord granted 2 times interim bail to the petitioner. In the meantime, out of 36 witness, only 6 witnesses examined at the time of interim bail, my lord. But till today, one witness has been examined, only 7
No,
witnesses.
last time you were granted interim bail on 9/10/2024.
Yes, sir.
In BLAPL number 9707 of 24. That is the last bail
Yes,
application.
sir.
Here you are granted interim bail for a period of 3 months.
3 months.
And at that time, I mentioned that out of 36 charge sheet witnesses, 6 witnesses have been examined. What is the present position?
Only one witness is examined now. That is reflected in the rejection order, my lord. And it has a class to page 16, my lord. Then on 16, page 16. my lord.
Yes.
Then on 17/6/2024, the accused voluntarily surrendered in the court and remanded to
Who
jail.
put
Para last
voluntarily surrender?
at present, out of 36 charge sheet witness, 7 witnesses have been examined, my lord.
এটা কেবেকার রিজেকশন অর্ডার?
Rejection resigned, my lord. Total charge
16/4/2025. Eyewitness are there.
ନା ନା ମୁଁ ତ ମେରିଟରେ ପୁରା ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ଅଲରେଡି।
Yes.
ଏ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲରେ ଯୋଉ ଡିଲେଡ୍ ଇଏ ପାଇଁ ସେ ଯାଉଛି 2020ରୁ ରହିଲାଣି। ଆପଣ 7ଟା ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କରିଛନ୍ତି, 4.5 ବର୍ଷରେ 7ଟା ୱିଟନେସ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି and the total number is 36. So that was the ground for which he was granted on the ground of delayed disposal of the trial. He was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months. And he availed it and surrendered at right time. That is reflected also in the rejection order.
In the meantime, other questions were granted bail.
But the petitioner is the main assailant.
No, we are not. Mr. Counsel, you this rejection order is এটা ସେ ଆଗର ସରେଣ୍ଡର ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଖଉଛନ୍ତି। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ତାପରେ ଯୋଉ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି 9707 ତାର ସରେଣ୍ଡର ଠିକ ସମୟରେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାହିଁ ତ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
That happened, petitioner has high criminal antecedent.
What is your instruction, whether he surrender at right time?
Surrender.
So that instruction I have to apply.
वकालत नंबर देखुची 23/4/2025 बेलकू कस्टोडीरे थिला। All right, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months. Last time in BLAPL number 9707 of 2024 had order dated 9/10/2024. And after availing the same, he surrendered at right time. And the petition was taken into judicial custody. On 30/12/2020. And last time when he was granted bail on 9/10/2024, at that point of time, out of 36 charge sheet witnesses, only 6 witnesses had been examined. And the present rejection order dated 16/4/2025 would indicate that only one more witness has been examined. submits that in view of delayed disposal of the trial, the bail application of the petitioner may be favorably considered. And counsel for the state, on the other hand, oppose the prayer for bail and submit that the petitioner is having criminal antecedent. Considering the submission made by Grand Counsel for the respective parties, the progress of the trial so far, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, and since there is absence of material that the petitioner has flouted the terms and condition of the earlier interim bail order and inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 3 months. So next.
Item 12.
Will now apply under section 108(13)(5) of BNS. Present petition in custody
302, no case diary.
108.
108 it is
108 में abatement of suicide that is charge sheet has been filed.
108 is abatement of suicide.
I have not received the case diary.
238 okay, giving false into 201 also. Who committed suicide?
My husband committed suicide on the suspicious suspecting that the present petitioner, who is the wife of the deceased, having illicit relationship with another accused.
You are a lady,
A lady.
Yes.
but you are mentioned as son of so and so in the first title. Padmini Dalai, son of
No,
late.
masala, that is wife है वाला पता है? Typographical error, but in the rejection order, it is rejection order to be set as a super damn big.
You have filed the charge sheet copy of.
Yes, ma'am. I filed the charge sheet copy. And here, charge sheet has been filed against 2 persons, against the present petitioner and another accused person, Suresh Chandra Uthal, who is the
Aramer of the present.
But this charge sheet copy is also incomplete one. You see, after 25, the page number 26 is something different. The details is not mentioned there.
Yes.
It is an incomplete. After 25 page, it is incomplete.
Mm.
Have you got the PM report with you?
Well, I have not received the case diary.
Acha, the Land and Council for the state takes some time to produce the case diary put of this matter after summer vacation. Yes.
Item 13.
Yes, legal also. So offense under section 318 sub 4, 319 sub 2, 316 sub 2 and 3 sub 5. Custody since 12/3/2025. Allegation is one Subhas Bindhani introduced to a present petitioner to informant and advised to open CMP account for gaming to get more commission. And there is no money is lost by the informant or gained by the
This offense is cheating.
Cheating.
Cheating by personation, then criminal breach of trust.
Accidental one accident.
No, 279 one antecedent 279 ICC MB Act.
FR revealed that 6 months prior to the announcement, they came into contact with some Suresh who advised him to open so he also stated that the plan is purely thereafter Subhas introduced. How much amount you have taken?
No money transaction in the FR.
Yes,
And only came to bank was giving a mail to the informant that way he came to yes.
Yes, Mr. Naik.
Sheet is not available, but in the one antecedent is there. And this account, number of the account, SBI account college.
Number of
Account college. There, page 15 of the rejection order. Account along the checkbook, such and such, link with the account.
ତିନିଟା ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟରେ ୟୁଜ୍ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଖାଲି ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ ହେଇଛି ଟୋଟାଲ କହୁଛି
you are in custody since
12/3/2023 12/3/2025
12/3/25 or the Land Council for the petition, Land Council for the state. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner has been judicial custody since 12/3/2024, and offences are tried by magistrate and investigation has made substantial progress, and after hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the investigating officer as and when required and shall cooperate with investigations. Violation of any function, fulfilling a bar of the behavior of his magistrate tribal offense. Yes, next.
Item 14.
14.
Just now I received the copy, my lord. The OPID matter name recorded.
Patro, then special counsel appearing for the OPID, State of Orissa and OPID matter submits that he has been just served with a copy of the bail application and he has not obtained the instruction out of this matter after some violation. Yes.
Item 15.
Appearing for the informant matters.
The antecedent against the and one of their member.
He's a member of the Odisha High Court Bar Association matters. The advocate of the Odisha High Court Bar informant matters. And gold chain was snatched by the petitioner accused my lords from his neck and 3,000 rupees and
ରାତିରେ ଚାମ୍ବରରୁ ଫେରିଲା ବେଳକୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ପାଖରେ ଗାଡି ଥିଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେ CCTV
and that matter has been recorded in the CCTV minutes.
Custody କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି?
14/11/24
Magistrate tribal offense गुड़ा कौन offense कौन?
25 outside
394 justice violation 3102 is 395 APC and 25 one of AMSAC.
देखी charge sheet copy देखी? You are having that copy. What are the offences under which charge sheet for me? Offense कौन?
detail of a BNS 25 of arms act.
ये तो registered
3096
309 registered.
96 also. 309.
is robbery.
Robbery.
And the other is 25(1)(a).
The arms act.
While returning from a function with my wife and daughter, I was attacked by 3 persons in a bike, snatched away a chain of my wife, 28 grams. Yeah, what do you say, sir?
Actually, understood three co-accused persons are already in bailship. That is another good. And on the statement of the confession from the Sachin Behra,
এই কেসে বেলে ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି?
page 11 of it. The three co-accused persons proceed. Understood two.
ସେମାନଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ କଣ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଯେମିତି ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ କଣ ବାରଙ୍ଗ ପିଏସ୍ କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର 437, ওটা কি অফেন্স? 309
Similar offenses
309.
remanded in this case. What is similar case?
or the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state, Mr. Dinesh Kumar Panda, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Dinesh Kumar Panda and his associates filed power for the informant Siddharth Sankar Malli, which is taken on record. Learned counsel for the state has produced the written instruction received from IAC Matkat Nagar Police Station dated 2/5/25, which indicates that the petitioner is having 3 criminal antecedents. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 14/11/2024, and the offences are triable by magistrate, and who accused persons have been released on bail by this court, which is the evidence and the bail orders annexed to the bail application as annexure 2 series. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the IAC of Markat Nagar Police Station once in a week on every Sunday in between 10 to 4. And a period of 3 months, and shall not indulge in criminal activities. Violation of any terms and conditions, surrender, cancellation and bail allowed. Yes.
Item 16.
And the petitioner is in custody since 7 of December 2024. The offenses are under section 303 and 35 of BNS.
You have got the case.
Antecedent.
Huh?
37 antecedent.
37, acha. The learned counsel for the state submits that the petitioner has got 37 criminal antecedents. Let the learned counsel for the petitioner obtain instruction regarding the status of such cases and file a comprehensive affidavit to that effect after summer vacation. Yes.
Item 17.
Second round litigation earlier rejected by Justice Simpson.
Earlier disposed of.
Yes, this by Justice Simpson.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that earlier bail application of the petitioner in BLAPL number 6149 of 2024 was disposed of
29/2024
on 29/2024 by Honorable Justice S.S. Mesra, staff. Put up this matter along with so and so before the appropriate bench with the approval of the Honorable Chief Justice. Yes.
Item 18.
This is commercial quantity of ganja. OCBC of the request
409 kg.
After summer vacation, CD achi?
CD নাই।
CD and CA to be obtained. Yes.
Item 19.
Item 19, on behalf of H. Bosait, my lord, I request for after vacation.
After CD achi?
CD আছে।
Case diary is available, but the learned counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment after summer vacation.
Item 20.
The accused, the petitioner is in custody since 9th of April 2025. 28 grams of heroin has been
କେବେଠୁ ହୋଇଛନ୍ତି?
9/4/2025. 28 grams of heroin.
Where is the quantity?
Page 11.
Heard the learning council for the petition, learning council for the state. Considering the submission made by the learning council for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 9/4/2025, and the quantity of heroin stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is 28 grams, which is lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 57 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after hearing the learning council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 21.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी 26/3/2025 भारत चार्जशीट P1/2025 already all the accused persons are delinquent for the offense under section V3(1) IPC 455 305 years 3 years. All the accused persons are delinquent.
So you are in custody since when?
26/3/2025.
26/3. Heard the learning council for the petitioner and council for the state, considering the submission made by the learning council for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 26/3/2025, and the offences are triable by magistrate, and after hearing the learning council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner and bail allowed.
Item 22.
22 is same accused. Is 26/3/2025 remand.
Same or similar offences? Yes.
Similar 399 310 for committing the preparing the fetch.
310.
399 आपको 02 assembling for the
310(4) and 10(5).
That's it. Only say that service.
Heard the learning council for the petitioner and council for the state, considering the submission made by the learning council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is taken into judicial custody on 26/3/2025, and the offences are not made out, and after that sheet has already been.
That's it. Only say that service.
Charge sheet has already been submitted, and after hearing the learning council for the state, we are trying to release the petitioner on bail.
Item 23.
23 I am paying after.
Yes.
Item 24.
24 minus same activity. Same activity से गोटे केस रे जन्म तीनटा को केस लगेछन सेही ट्राइब्यूनल बाय मैजिस्ट्रेट चार्जशीट हे गलानी 26/3/2025.
Item number
matter 21 22 24.
wait.
224 is the same Lulu Pradhan and Lulu.
It means that's the
which custodial 26/3/25 offices are traveling magistrate. State Council to issue metro that the petitioner has got number of criminal antecedents. And petitioner submission that the charge sheet has already been filed. Magistrate travel offense. Yes, next.
Hon'Ble.
Item 25.
Next. Case diary item 25.
302, 394, 302.
No, case diary
Yes, sir.
item number 25. Is there. Prashant Kumar Pradhan. That's not the matter.
Petitioner in this case is in custody.
Please argue the matter. Why are you stopping?
Yes, my lord. The petitioner in this case is in custody since 2021. And the
Is it your first application or earlier rejected? This application is first application or earlier rejected?
first application, my lord.
Okay. And since when you are in custody?
On 2021.
Kono?
2021.
It's a 302 case.
Yes, sir.
Authorita external injury, Saddata internal injury.
No, that's there, but as it appears, witnesses have been examined.
Material witnesses have not been examined. There are extrajudicial confession made by the accused.
But from the rejection order, it appears that
Kindly see page 36.
out of 26 charge sheet witnesses, 10 witnesses have been examined.
So may I continue with that?
Yes.
Out of 26 statuted witnesses, 10 witnesses have already been examined, and the material witnesses, including the IU, are yet to be examined.
Yes, you are right.
And further, the petitioner is seeking parity on the co-accusation, and that has been discussed by the lower court. It appears from the materials of the report that the accused is principal accused, and he doesn't stand on the similar footing with the co-accused Rakesh Kumar Kamari, who has already been released on bail. And he has 4 antecedents. Four antecedents of similar nature. Last antecedents including 307 and this time 302.
So, London Council, you are having 4 criminal antecedents, and one of them is 307, and this is a case of 302. So, you filed a comprehensive affidavit indicating the status of those 4 cases. Right? Mr. Pradhan, Prashant Kumar Pradhan, Land Council appearing through virtual High Court. Sambalpur. Sambalpur. The Land Council for the state, on verification of the case record, submits that there are as many as 4 criminal antecedents against the petitioner. Let the Land Council for the petitioner obtain instruction in respect of such antecedents and file a comprehensive affidavit to that effect. Put up this matter after ensuing summer vacation. Yes.
Item 26.
So, you know, notice of
Extra copy to be served, notice usual order, and case diary available?
No.
So CD and criminal antecedent. Yes.
Item 27.
From 310 and 310, 4 and 5, 399,402. Recover of one iron sword and Honda keypad mobile. Recover one iron sword.
Sword.
9. 399,402 mile.
कौन recovery
One iron sword and one Hero Honda mobile.
iron sword, then Hero Honda, out of
Mobile.
mobile. अच्छा केबे रोइलेनी
4/4/2025.
The petition and four others were preparing for the dacoity in a petrol pump. And the petitioner has a criminal antecedent also.
one.
Yes.
What is that offense?
341, 323, 324, 34.
Are the Learned Counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 4/4/25, and investigation has made substantial progress, and one iron sword, Hero Honda, and mobile phone with SIM were stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner, and in view of the available material on the reference, bail application may be favorably considered. Learned Counsel of the state offers the prayer for bail, considering the submission, nature of acquisition against the petitioner, state of detention in judicial custody, progress of investigation. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. What is the next one?
C3 mobile.
27 antecedents.
ये जो पुरुषोत्तम
Right.
लेखन, the Learned Counsel for the state submits that the petitioner is having 27 criminal antecedents. Let the Learned Counsel for the petitioner obtain instruction in respect of such antecedent and file a comprehensive affidavit to that effect after summer vacation. Yes.
Item 28.
This is on 399,402. That from the possession of the petitioner, one iron rod, 1,000 rupees and one lace packet.
केबे रोइलेनी
16/3/2025.
Investigation ଚାଲିଛି ତିନିଟା antecedent ହୁଏ.
चोरी केस दिटा अननोन था 2025 ର ସବୁ
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରେ ଡାକୋଇଟି କରିବ ବୋଲି ପ୍ରତ୍ୟକ୍ଷ
390
ଏଇଟା
ନା ନା ବସିଥିଲେ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଧରିଲେ ଆମେ ବସିକି ଗପୁଥିଲେ ପାଞ୍ଚ ଜଣ ଲୋକ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲେ ସେ କହୁଥିଲେ ଆମେ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ କରିଥିଲୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଡକାୟତି କରିବୁ ଆଉ ଆ ପାଖରୁ from the last two line ରେ from the position of the petitioner 1,000 rupees ଗୋଟେ ଆଇରନ୍ ରଡ୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଲେସ୍ ଖାଇବା ଲେସ୍ ପ୍ୟାକେଟ ବାହାରିଛି last line. Similarly, cash of rupees one last 4 line. 1,000 rupees cash of 500 rupees and 100 rupees along with one iron rod and
तीनटा चारटा केस अछि पुरा तीनटा
केस सब 2024 रो 305 रो केस चोरी के सब अननोन केस अननोन एफआर
they have admitted that they committed those offenses.
कोडिया लोक कोडिया
सेटा लोकल सेटिया थाना लोकल थाना
are the Learned Counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner is a young boy, is about 25 years, and is in judicial custody since 16/3/25, and it is the prosecution case that one iron rod, one lace packet, and cash of rupees 1,000 was seized from the possession of the petitioner. And the ingredients of the offences are not attracted. And after hearing the Learned Counsel for the state submitted that the petitioner has caused 3 criminal antecedents and inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the inspector in charge of Keonjhar Sadar Police Station once in a week, on every Sunday between 10 to. Yes, next.
Item 29.
Matter of
May I
POCSO.
please, your lordship, my lord.
Sochi. Where is Mr.
POCSO,
Maji?
Six POCSO, my lord.
Serve an extra copy.
Yes, my lord.
Serve an extra copy. It will CD available.
CDF.
CD and criminal
Sí.
antecedent, and it will come after summer vacation. Yes.
Item 30.
May I please, your lordship, my
Mr.
lord.
Mishra.
Petitioner is custody fee 7125 or 395, 397, 457 there.
Achiketan.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
One of the offenses of organized crime and the
New
punishment is for life.
uh,
395 for 7 antecedent of this person.
So the Learned Council, you have got the TI parent before.
Not.
The Learned Council for the state submits that though he has received the case diary, but he is yet to get the TI parent stop. She further submits that the petitioner is having 7 criminal antecedents.
7 to
7 criminal antecedents. Let the Learned Council for the petitioner obtain instruction in respect of such antecedents and file a comprehensive affidavit to the applicant. Put of this matter after entering summer vacation.
Item 31.
Third, offenses under section 20B, 2B and 29 of NDPS Act. Or total 10 kgs of ganja was recovered.
What is that, madam?
Madam,
Quantity.
10 kg ganja.
Would you like to? Acha. Kebe rahileni?
Well, page 17.
Oh, well, since when you are in custody?
4425.
The
Person of petitions. The person of you.
Udiara?
Uttar Pradesh. UP.
UP.
But she has no criminal antecedent and she is a lady.
Okay, let the address be verified.
CDI.
You will verify and then the Learned Council for the considering the submission made by the Learned Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 4/4/25 and the quantity of ganja stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is 10 kg, which is lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 7 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after hearing the Learned Council for the state, who stated that the petitioner is a man from Mirzapur district in the state of Uttar Pradesh, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail before accepting the bail bond. The Learned Trial Court shall verify the correctness of the address furnished by the petitioner in the first title through the Superintendent of Police, Sambalpur. Yes, and local security. Allowed.
Item 32.
At least.
Yes, Mr. Acharya.
My lord, petitioner is custody since 7/12/2024. My lord, in the meantime, charge sheet has already been submitted under section 80, 85, 108 of BNS corresponding to 304B, 493 and 306 of IPC. My lord. But the allegation is the deceased wanted to go to her parental house. The husband did not allow her to go, due to which she committed suicide.
Death
My
within
lord,
4 years of marriage. Death within 4 years of marriage. And the deceased had a 6-year-old son.
My lord, I have also obtained the postmortem report, my lord, which clearly says that it's a suicidal hanging.
The ligature mark on the like your Russian.
My lord, that is due to the rope used.
Deceased body was found in the well, your Russian. Deceased body was found in the well.
You know, she committed suicide in the well itself. She hanged herself in the well.
Food count केमती well रे केमती suicide.
But rope use करके सेठी hang निजु पले जो
थोड़ा rope use करे जो गारे सुन खाए से जो पानी काढन
आज्ञा
सेठी करी झुली पड़ी ना कौन এটা কোনটা আপনার পোস্টমর্টম রিপোর্ট
आज्ञा
what is the cause of death So suicidal hanging also.
Allegation that the husband, was the petitioner, used to subject the deceased to cruelty or something.
ବାହାଘର କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା?
Before 4 years.
4 years.
About 2020.
2020.
2020.
Death took place when?
24th.
They were blessed with a daughter or son?
Son year.
Son who was aged about?
4 years.
Or the London Council for the Petitioner and Council for the State. The London Council for the Petitioner submits that the petitioner is the husband of the deceased Nandini Swine and is in judicial custody since 7/12/2024, and charge sheet has already been submitted under section 80, 85 and 108 of BNS Act. Stop. He further submits that marriage between the petitioner and the deceased was solemnized 4 years prior to the death of the deceased, and they were blessed with a son. And due to matrimonial dispute between the parties, the deceased committed suicide, and the postmortem report would also indicate that it is a case of suicidal hanging. He further submits that in view of the available material on record, the bail application may be favorably considered. When counsel for the state was produced the case diary, opposed the prayer for bail. Considering the submission made by the London Council for the respective parties, the nature of accusation against the petitioner, the surrounding circumstances under which the death of the deceased took place, the post-mortem report finding, and the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, and inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 33.
64 for 376. And 64 of the
Actually, case diary,
the IT Act.
18 statement.
164 conviction.
Petitioner and the victim were into a relationship. They broken up. Thereafter,
What is the age of the victim?
22.
thereafter, the petitioner denied to marry the victim. She got engaged to someone else. Then he started blackmailing them.
ବାହାଘର ଠିକ ହେଲା ପରେ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ
What about charge sheet?
ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ହେଇନି 24 years madam.
ତାର ବାହାଘରଟା ଆଗକୁ ଅଛି ମେ ବି
Direct I will not communicate or send any your lordship may direct me.
ତାର ବାହାଘର ଠିକ ହେଲା ପରେ ତାର ଫିଆନ୍ସେ କୁ ତାର ଅପସିନ୍ ଫଟୋ ଯାକ ପଠେଇକି ମିଡିଆରେ ସେୟାର କରିବା ପାଇଁ
That condition your lordship may that the presentation
Date given.
that I have to take it.
এবার হচ্ছে
She has got engaged in February or March.
Since when you were in custody?
23 2025.
The London Council for the Petitioner and Council for the State, considering the submission made by the London Council for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 23/2025. And the victim is measured drug. It appears from the first information report submitted by her, so also the 164 CRPC Rautauji 183 of BNSS, that she is a consenting party. And after going through the case diary produced by the Reliance Council for the state, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail. So the 183 CRPC of BNSS statement. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that the petitioner shall not try to come in contact with the victim, shall not try to tamper with the evidence, will appear before the London trial court on each date to which the case will be posted for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation and bail allowed.
Victim said the fiance too. He shall not communicate with the victim as well as his fiance.
How would you
His fiance, जहाँ से बाहर भी he is trying to share the photo.
victim shall not say बात तो मूल आरंभ ही नहीं अपन शेयर कर
ए ताको ही photo पठौଥିଲେ आज्ञा.
ओ अच्छा ସିଏ ଜାଣିକିନି ଯଦି ଏସବୁ ବାହା ହଉଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ହୃଦୟ ବଡ ତେଣୁ yes next
Item 34.
The petitioner has been implicated in an offence and contribute to C of the NDPS Act. Though the name of the from the possession of the petitioner in the
commercial quantity, no?
Your lordship may kindly see
133 kg, 630 grams.
no. Your lordship may kindly see 6 bag was carrying by one Sumanta Behera. On his interrogated.
छुट्टी पर हिसाब करिया कार को next after vacation.
Item 35.
35 may please. Petition is custody since 2/12/2024 The officer section 64 2N corresponding to 372N of IPC.
कागज पत्र अछि
This mileage both are major mileage.
One antecedent view.
You have got that statement of
Statement.
Both are major mileage. They are staying together in a rental.
just
Yes, sir. Mileage from 2/12/2024.
the counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state considering the submission made by the land counsels of the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 15/11/24 लेखा है 15/11 आलोक हुई तो 15/11/2024 charge sheet has been submitted under section 64 bracket 2 bracket M, 127 bracket 2, 351 bracket 4, 3, 5, and 49 of BNS. And after going through the 164 CRPC 183 BNSS statement of the victim, which is at about 24 years, and the submission of the land counsel for the petitioner, though the victim is a consenting party, and so also the medical examination report produced by the land counsel for the state. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not come in contact with the victim and shall not try to tamper with the evidence in any manner and appear before the London trial court on each date to which the case will be posted for trial. violation of any terms and conditions or entail cancellation of the order. बाकी पूरा खाली की रखी दो.
My lord, but in chatted my lord, pardon my lord.
Yes.
Wait, pardon my lord. In chatted my lord, it has mentioned 2/12/2024 custody my lord.
No, see, format रे mention नहीं जो date
My lord.
देखिए से.
15/11/24 my lord, the another accused my lord, that is
Yes.
Dulla and Vinod.
You are Alok Bhuipara?
Alok Bhuvi my lord.
Just a minute.
In chatted.
Arrest number is also there.
This is Alok Bhoi and this is the date of custody. देखो ये चंचल सुरेश को पहले कर दो. देखिले
Yes, my lord.
ठीक है तो
Yes, my lord.
अब बाकी तो कल ही ऐसा.
Item 46 postpone notice to
That's right.